Hi, I'm Peter Kuruvita. This is Marley Kuruvita. I'm the culinary ambassador for Dilmah, and Marley is a trainee mixologist from Dilmah. The great thing is that he and I have been talking about how to make cocktails using tea, and I just gave him a whole range of teas. One of them is this amazing, lively lime and orange infusion. To cold brew tea into alcohol is so easy. Do you want to help us? Pour the liquor. So we're using gin today, and we're going to make a lively lime and orange gin and tonic. So 3 tea bags, about 150 mils of gin. Now it doesn't have to be the most expensive gin because we're adding the beautiful flavors of Dilmah tea into it. And then you just need to leave it to steep for 45 minutes only, no longer. And you'll see, as soon as I start agitating it, the color starts to slowly change. And eventually it will end up like this. So Marley, let's have a drink.
So just a simple gin and tonic. That's all you need with this gin. So it'll just be 1 shot of gin, of the tea-infused gin. And then top it up with some ice. A couple of lime wheels. And then top it up with tonic water.
I think your mum would love this. Hey Karen, got a second? I think you should try this. So making cocktails at home is easy. I know that while we've been locked down, everyone's you know, been having a few tipples. So this makes it very different. Go for it, mum.
Thanks, Marley. That is delicious. You can really taste the tea, can't you?
Yeah, it's good. It's
very nice. Thank you. Actually, I might take this. I've got a chat.
There you go. They go as quickly as we make them. But so simple. Like, again, only 7 or 8 minutes have gone by and we are nearly getting to that color. So just get into it. Buy as many teas as you can. Do different flavors. Make your bar look a little bit different. It'll be very exciting once you start entertaining again. Enjoy.